That's where I fucking usually go up straight up all the time. Fucking just run. What's the matter with this bullshit stick? All this garbage. Ah. Maybe the next fucking videos. Yeah, maybe. Fucking pussyfooting around here. Yeah, well, not today. They give you a little taste of what it is. Maybe that day coming back again. She loves her daddy. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, you can't pussyfoot around here. You gotta go balls to the wall. That's why it's fucking pussy. Whatever. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. I still don't want to lose my phone. Daddy. It's a different art with these sticks. That's for sure. I think without them, it's probably the best, but I brought them. Definitely. Hands. I mean, I liked it in a lot of situations, though. I definitely did. You know? Ooh. I did. I like it a lot. Sometimes you just gotta go. You know? What's over here? Oh yeah. Oh boy. Since I seen the light. Yeah. Leave my sewer. I'm alright. Oh yeah, I'm alright. I don't care. Last little set, huh? Last little waterfall. This is the official. This is the top. That's the last little fall. That's the top fire trails up here. This is, listen people, fire trail is the best place to camp out. Right here. Evergreen, Mountain Laurel, water. It's beautiful right here. It's beautiful. You don't have to do what I did. I'm going to show you. You can hang out right here. Soft ground right here. Look at this. All right, Gene's run. All right, let's see. Okay. We're coming out. We're only about football field. Football field from the fire trail. Yeah. Oh, my pants. Hold on. Okay. Wanna leave. I hope I got all this time. Leave my sewer. They don't even know them. The rats get on fine. Leave my sewer. Wanna leave my sewer. Leave my sewer. I'm alright. I'm okay? Okay. Just me and the rats. The rats. Anywhere else. Oh. You know, you say things as a teenager. Energy is the key to civilization. And may this punk rocker, sand nigger, bring it to mankind. In Jesus' name. Leave. I'm alright. Hey, we got a little bit of sunshine. Look a sham. I'm gonna take the whole route though. Whole route. Okay. Boca Sham. Whoa. You gotta watch yourself. That's for sure. I should talk to myself. I am. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. We just played it. And make you just played it. What?
I'm buying along with the syrup.
Oh well. I don't know. You gonna play it again, Sam? Oh yeah. You're gonna have to play it again. Oh boy. All right, let's read the sign. Don't ever wanna leave. Okay, people of the planet Earth. Gene, you park, I don't know, a mile, top of the hill, park, main fire trail. You come here, you see the sign. Boy, that campground is beautiful. You got a nice waterfall. Oh, if you want to park legally, not like me, the very first stone trail that goes down, hey, you know, you leave the parking lot, you're walking out. The very first turn that makes a right, make a right. You'll make a right about a half mile from here, and you'll go la 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 la, go to the bottom and come back up. Leave my sewer. Get some! Is that Alpha Omega? Oh yeah. Oh, that was awesome. Thank you, creator of the universe. Oh, I love you. Thank you. Something I could watch. Something. And for others, why not? I always thought it was beautiful. Running the garbage truck, I thought that was beautiful too. Until the rich or whatever controlling people want to abuse you. They F it all up. How are you gonna have the Starship Enterprise and people working together if you got scumbags? Let's go hiking. And the song has the sewer, you know? You gotta talk about the sewer. Alright. Look at the sun. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good.
I'd rather be here than anywhere else. I don't ever wanna
Leave. I'm alright. Don't ever wanna